In MURX EHR, a list of patients for the current day and date to whom appointments have been given, and walk-in patients list can be viewed by clicking on patient for visit. So when we click on patient for visit, it will show the list of all the patients for the current day, the patient ID, the name of the patient, doctor's name, the time, and the status. For patients who have arrived into the clinic, their status will be marked as arrived, and those who are scheduled, their status will be shown as scheduled. When a patient walks into the clinic, he needs to be marked as arrived by the reception so that the doctor can start consultation for that patient. The process for marking or changing the status of a patient to arrived is as follows. Click on the name of the patient. A new patient visit window opens up. Here there are certain mandatory fields. So first is select the name of the doctor, the provider. Next is the visit type, whether it's OPD or IPD. The visit category, whether it's a follow-up visit, a new visit, or a referral visit. Status will show as arrived by default. Once the doctor is selected, the specialty, in this case ophthalmology, will be displayed by default. Then select the visit location, which will be the name of the clinic or the hospital where the software is installed or is being used, and date of service will be the current present day. Once all the mandatory fields have been selected, click on record, close the window, and the patient will be marked as arrived. Thank you.